Every day, businesses spend millions on digital ads, but not every click comes from a real person. Behind the scene, a hidden system is at work, generating fake clicks, bot traffic, and invisible fraud at massive scale. But blockchain technology is changing digital advertising with transparency and trust. Every ad, click, impression, and transaction is securely recorded on a decentralized digital ledger that cannot be altered. Smart contracts automatically release payments only when real human engagement is verified, reducing fraud and increasing accountability. Now, users are no longer just data sources, they become part of a fair and transparent digital ecosystem. With blockchain, digital advertising becomes more transparent, more secure, and more trustworthy for everyone. Remember, blockchain, a smarter, fairer digital future.